Today we have a Valvetronic exhaust, active Valvetronic exhaust for the F87. This is Graham's F87 M55 M2. We already put a catless downpipe on it.
Yes, sir. You help me.
And we finna put on the full Valvetronic exhaust. Gotta drop the whole stock exhaust. So I'm pretty sure it's a 15 for this bolt right here. Oh, great. We're not taking that off. Use that 5/8, loosen that. Now we'll get a screwdriver to spread it open. And then we have this exhaust hanger, have the brace to take out, and then the two exhaust hangers in the back for the, fuck, you scared the fuck out of me. The two exhaust hangers in the back for the muffler, and then it'll be out, and then it'll be time for this. Then we gotta take out these 6 Allens to drop this. All right, guys, since we did only have 2 people, we didn't have anybody to video while we were taking it off, but it's literally 2 bolts there, 1 bolt there, and 1 bolt there, and then the whole thing just drops. The catless downpipe that I previously installed on this, didn't have a video for that, but there it be. All right, so now we got the exhaust hangers off, you can see. So now we're gonna put this piece on, connect it to the downpipe, and bolt it up to the exhaust hanger location. All right, guys, so we got the exhaust connected to the downpipe, as well as it's on the exhaust hanger. So now we're back here, basically right at the brace, and then back to the exhaust, or to the muffler, and we home free. All right, guys, so we got the whole entire exhaust installed all the way back to the muffler right here. We had issues with this section, so if this section doesn't look right to anybody, say something. It's not making contact anywhere. It clears everything, but we just had issues with it, and we want to know if it's right. So let us know.
Tight shit.
Tight shit. Okay, we're gonna do a quick startup real quick. All right, guys, so we got the exhaust on. Now we're trying to find a hole to route the vacuum line in. I was looking at this drain plug, but I didn't see it on the bottom side, so I don't really know yet. All right, guys, it's been a long effing time. Right now we're in the back of the trunk. You have to run vacuum line to these, and the vacuum line goes from under the trunk through. Yeah, you want to show him?
There's a hole through here we had to poke out. He ran the lines through there, put this back together. Now we're up there. Oh, obviously ran them through there.
Connected the T-post. Then I'm gonna cut 1 more line off for this, and we're gonna mount it or plug it in to the box down there, and then plug the box in to the cigarette lighter, and then this mamma jamma will be valved. All right, so I'm not a welder by any means, but these clamps won't hold these tips on, so I'm just gonna put a couple quick dots.
Feels good. That's how we do that shit, baby.
All right, guys, and here we are. Exhaust tips on. Nice and welded on. Yeah. All right, guys, we're gonna start the car. All right, he's about to go ahead and start the M2 and back it off. All right, guys, we've been driving around now. The car sounds amazing. Like, I mean, it sounds like absolutely amazing.
Let's get a couple revs in here.
Yeah, sounds amazing. We finna go. We took it to eat right now. I don't know if you guys have ever put exhaust in your car before. Like brand new, it smells like absolute dog shit until it gets broken in.
Bro.
But yeah, bro, it's great. OG M2.
F85.
I want one. All right, y'all, we at Buffalo now, and we finna grub, but that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching.